Hi there, here's a quick video showing how to export your Premiere Pro video project. I'm currently inside an editing window, as you can see at the top here. I have finished the edit, so everything's fine. I'm happy with it, it's ready to run. Okay, so the program is ready, I've finished it. What I need to do at this point is I need to identify the in and out position of the what do I want to export, where do I want to start, where do I want to finish. Okay, at this point in my situation here, I've got some things at the beginning here. I've got some stuff here that I don't really want to be exported. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put my timeline where I want to begin, which is at that circle there. Okay, and that's where I want to begin. And I then go up into markers, and I say mark in. Okay, so I create a mark in point, maybe the beginning, and you can say mark in. And then I go scooting down to the end where it finishes. Okay, and then I say to it mark out. So it will be a marker, mark it out. And as you can see here, it will create a grey item and the yellow line, which will indicate that is the section of video that will be exported once you press the export command. So then what we do is we go up into File, and of course we will have saved this file already as a process. So I'm going to go File, Export, Media, and at this point in here, got a few things on here and the commands and the settings on the right hand side here. I need to choose Format, and we're going to choose H.264. Okay, and at this point you can see I'm exporting the video and I'm exporting the audio. Okay, this is a high definition 1080 export, so it's quite big. Okay, you can see the dimensions are presented here. This blue output name here, I need to click it, so select it and input a name, which will of course be a naming protocol that you're required to use, so it makes sense. Also identify the destination, so we're going to go to Documents, Adobe Premiere, go into the project folder that you should have already. I'm going to go into this one and I will give it an appropriate name, and I will press export, and the file, I'll press save. Okay, and the file will be saved, and when I press export down here on the bottom, it will be exported. It may take some time for it to export if it's quite long, but let it do its job and it will export the file, and then you'll have a mp4 file that you can upload and do what you like with. Okay, and that's how you do that process. I hope that helps.